In a town famous for its Bavarian theme, bratwurst, and beer, you might be surprised that one restaurant is going against the grain. Here in Leavenworth, Larch has set its sight on one thing: pasta.
It is phenomenal. Like, it just feels like it melts in your mouth. The meat is perfectly cooked.
So you feel the farm to table essence is just here. Every time we come here, they deliver.
Can't go wrong with homemade pasta.
You know, we're always discovering new styles and new pastas that I haven't done before. There's so many shapes and sizes. It feels pretty inexhaustible.
Chef Ben loves everything about homemade pasta, but that doesn't mean his cuisine is limited to Italian styles.
I'm sure the Italian grandmothers might be a little bit upset if they saw the ways we take pasta in some ways, but I would say it's Pacific Northwest infused pasta dishes.
It not only looks amazing, it tastes amazing. It's like an explosion. It's delicious.
It's fresh pasta. It's handmade here.
Yes, so we hand form or we extrude fresh all of the pastas that are on the menu.
But it's not just the pasta that's fresh.
We really try to use the bounty of what's seasonal and what's local, all the Washington produce, all the Washington fish, and all of those things.
Don't miss later in the show when Chef Ben and I make his famous mushroom ravioli.
You got a long ways to go. Let's go.
Okay, sorry. I know. Get with it. Okay.